quick update. It is without a turbo. Actually the engine is in, just without the turbo. Alright, see, the turbo is gone. Why? Because the turbo is leaking badly. So yep, to rebuild the turbo, we have the valve cover cleaned it. Right, clutch is in, everything is in, and we mounted a steel braided brake line, steel braided oil line here. Yep, and the steel braided return. Yeah, everything in, just need some minor touch up and wait for the turbo, and the new clutch is in. Right, let's check out. Yep, yeah, there's the update. So yeah, wait for the turbo to come back, finish up the rest of the piping, and we can start it up. Cool.